Hi everyone and welcome back to today's video, and my name is Snowmoon, and today we're going to unbox my Ipsy bag. It's my Ipsy Glam bag, and it's like a $12 a month bag, and you get like 5 sample sized items. Sometimes you get a little bit bigger items, but all in all it's kind of nice to get this because, you know, you get a little bag and you get a little sample, and you can decide if you like it. Kind of sucks with skincare because you don't get enough to actually get to really know if you're going to like it. But you get enough that you get a taste of it. But for the most part, I've liked everything in my box. And I know that this has like one item left in this one that is mine that I paid. And this is for my February unboxings. So without further ado, let's just jump in. So here's everything. Oh, it came out of the packaging and everything. That is inside my little envelope, and we don't need this now. This one on my husband's computer desk. I'll get that later. So, what? I didn't get that. Well, you can shut up now. Thank you. So, without further ado, let's just jump in. This is the item that I did purchase for myself. It is satin scrunchies. And I wanted the satin ones because I got the more velvety ones in the other box, and I kind of wanted to try out the satin ones. And you get like 5. So, these look like all the same color, and they're just basically little satin scrunchies. So I only paid like $3 for these, so that's not bad, and they'll go great with the ones I got previously. So, but that is my purchased item. We will set this aside. Okay, so my first item from this bag looks like a brush. It is a flat foundation brush by Farrah. I do like this. I don't really have a brush just like this, or I could, and I don't even know where my brushes are to even try it out, but probably could have used that earlier. It kind of messed this look up, but that's okay. I do like that. So, that's nice. I don't know how much the brush is yet because I haven't even got my card out. So now let's hop into my card. So this says send love for February 2021. And the first item that I had reviewed was the Farrah flat foundation brush, which is a full-sized item, and it cost 16 bucks. Moving on. It's got all my items here. It did put price points on here, so I will try to kind of give you a price point. So without further ado, here's the bag, and it's really cute. It says "Sailed with a Kiss" on the bag. It looks like a little envelope, and it's like got a flap like an envelope. And inside this is my other 4 products, so let's pull one out. This is by the YC collection, and it's loose setting powder. Just a little sample size. It says it's a deluxe sample, but it's a non-caking, mattifying materials to keep your skin shine free. But the full size product is 4 ounces. And this is 1.8 ounces, so it's a little over like a fourth of the size. But the full size is $12.99, so roughly about $3. The next item is by REP, or RE semicolon P, Real Element Practice is the brand, and it says it is a all-night moisturizing and relief mask. So I guess you put this on your face overnight or something like that. Put on bed, dot to forehead, nose, eyes, nose, cheeks, and chin, and massage into oil. The full size is 100 milliliters, and my eyes are so watery from doing my makeup. And this is roughly, I know it has a size on here somewhere in really fine print, 0.5 milliliter fluid ounces, so 15 milliliters. And the full size is 32, so 75 cents, $1, maybe. The next item is by Ipsy, and it is just a regular eye pencil. It is a full-size item. It's $12. It is in black blue, which means it's just black. So, it's just a crayon. The dog's screaming over there. It's just going. So, it does look like a bluish color, though. Let's see if this comes out more blue. Not really. It's more black. But the tip did break. It's okay, though. I can just, sharpen it. So there's that. Between these two items that paid, the bag is $12, and I got a brush and an eyeliner. So, I mean, it's basically paid for itself. And the last item is by Galacita. It's by Ico Galactic Lid Gloss in Zodiac. Here's the thing. I don't know if I'd ever use this. I don't use cream eyeshadows, but my youngest does. So I can attempt to try this out and show you what it would be like, and then I can just give it to him. Because I don't do that. Oh, it is nothing but glitter. Oh, that is fantastic. He is going to have a fun time with that. This is really small. It's 4 fluid ounces. The full-sized item is 8, so it's half the size, and the full-size item is $19. And here's what the cream eyeshadow will look like. Like, it's a really pretty color. It's a very, very pigmented, like, it's a copper. I just really don't get into cream eyeshadows. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it and try to wear it to work or something. Like, maybe I can get up and slap that on my eye. And that is my bag. I have got to wipe my... Okay. That is my bag. Like I said, I paid for these, so these really don't count. But I did only pay like $3, I think, or $5. So altogether, I don't know if there's anything in this bag that I would have paid full price for. I have not tried this. I don't know. Just a setting powder. I didn't even open this all the way, but that's all that is just a little setting powder. I don't know. Your thoughts? Maybe you can tell me if you would have purchased any of these items. I mean, it's not like they're bad items. Kind of disappointed this one broke already. It's a nice brush. But that's my whole bag. And Ipsy, kick it up, man. Kick it up. Send me more love. More love would have been nice. But that is all I have for you. So I will pop out of here and just leave you with the final thoughts. And make sure you're being fantastic every day. Cut yourself a break or two and try something that scares you. Ever so often it's nice. Like, just look at yourself and say, didn't do that so well, and that's okay. Because it's okay to screw up ever so often. and have a blessed day. Remember, your mental health is very, very important, so always make sure you're taking care of that. And I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.